Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of bitter melon, scientifically known as Mamordica carantia, is a unique and intriguing fruit with a long history of use in traditional medicine and culinary practices. Known for its distinct bitter taste, bitter melon has gained attention for its potential health benefits. In this captivating video, we'll dive into the rich tapestry of nutritional wonders that bitter melon offers, exploring its potential to enhance your well-being. From blood sugar regulation to immune support and beyond, get ready to unravel the secrets of nature's wellness gem. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this exploration of bitter melon's potential to nourish your body and enrich your life. First and foremost, bitter melon has garnered attention for its potential to support blood sugar regulation. Compounds like carantan and polypeptide P, found in bitter melon, may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. This makes bitter melon a subject of interest for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. What's more, bitter melon's rich content of antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, contributes to its ability to combat oxidative stress. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing cell damage and supporting overall cellular health. Wait, there is more. The presence of dietary fiber and low-calorie content in bitter melon makes it a potentially helpful food for weight management. The fiber promotes satiety, helping control appetite and preventing overeating. Attention, foodies. Bitter melon has a knack for making your tummy happy. Ever wonder how your body breaks down all that delicious food you eat? Bitter melon is like a superhero chef for your tummy. It's armed with special compounds that kickstart your digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food faster and more efficiently. Say goodbye to that heavy feeling after meals. Bitter melon is like a magical potion that fights off the dreaded bloat. It helps your digestive system work smoothly, preventing gas buildup and that uncomfortable puffy feeling. Your genes will thank you. Bitter melon is like a GPS for your body's nutrients. It helps your gut absorb all the good stuff from your food, like vitamins and minerals, making sure they get to where they're needed the most. It's like giving your body a VIP pass to all the nutritional goodness. Did you know? Bitter melon's nutrients, including vitamin C and antioxidants, contribute to a well-functioning immune system. These components aid in strengthening the body's defense mechanisms against infections and illnesses. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Hey beauty aficionados! Bitter melon has your back when it comes to clear skin. Say goodbye to pesky pimples because bitter melon is here to save the day. With its magical blend of antioxidants and vitamins, it helps fight off acne-causing bacteria and keeps your skin looking clear and fresh. Bitter melon's antioxidants are like little fairies that protect your skin from damage caused by pollution, UV rays, and stress. This means your skin stays glowing and youthful, no matter what. Bitter melon is like your personal skin superhero, working behind the scenes to prevent those unwanted breakouts. It keeps your pores clean and unclogged, making sure those annoying pimples don't stand a chance. Hey, heart-conscious pals! Let's dive deeper into how bitter melon can be a true champion for your heart health. Imagine having a superhero that defends your heart from the villains of high cholesterol, blood pressure troubles, and inflammation. Well, that's where bitter melon comes in. Bitter melon is like a knight in shining armor for your heart. It has a knack for helping lower LDL cholesterol levels, which can build up in your arteries and lead to heart issues. With bitter melon by your side, you're one step closer to a healthier heart. It also contains compounds that help relax blood vessels, making it easier for your blood to flow smoothly. Bitter melon's anti-inflammatory powers are like a shield for your heart. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, and bitter melon's compounds help keep inflammation at bay, ensuring your heart remains in a healthier state. But the benefits don't stop there. Bitter melon's compounds, including vitamin A and beta-carotene, are beneficial for eye health. They help maintain good vision and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Lastly, bitter melon is believed to support liver health by promoting detoxification processes and protecting liver cells from damage. Bitter melon can be incorporated into various culinary creations. It is often used in Asian cuisines, where its unique flavor is celebrated. Bitter melon can be stir-fried, added to soups, curries, or even enjoyed as a tea. And there you have it, a journey through the remarkable world of bitter melon's health benefits. So the next time you see bitter melon on your plate, remember the multitude of ways it supports your well-being. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.